This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the Witch Cat envelope box card. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do, I hadn't put together some of these flowers already. So let me just get these together first. These go together pretty quick. It's just layering. You'll have two flowers that are the same size, and these go on the corner of this, your sentiment. They just go right on the corners. Right on the corners. Okay, so that's done. I'm going to go ahead and assemble these other flowers so that they're ready to go when I get to them. That's way too much glue. There we are. And let's put together this one. Okay. Let's set aside the insert for a second and work on the box part of our box card. So I'm just folding it on the score lines first. Then I'm going to attach the front and back. Okay. This goes on the back. You just want to kind of eyeball that. Put that down. Then we're going to put our other panels in place. Really like this pattern. It's kind of cool. Okay, then the next piece we're going to put on is this. And that just lines up to the bottom and side to side. Okay. Then let's flip our card over and put in the insert. You just want to kind of eyeball that. There should be a slight border all the way around. I'm going to flip this back over and I'm going to go ahead and put on this flower bunch. I want to pop it up some, so I'm going to cut my foam squares to fit in here. Put this on the back of my flower. There we are. Okay. And then I'm going to carefully line this up on the envelope so that none of the foam tape is over the edge. And then add my flower. There we are. Okay, now I'm going to set this aside and work on the insert. So if you've noticed, I've inked the edges here of the head with some white ink because the black cat is black on black. So I want to make sure that it stands out. There we are. I think I'm going to pop up this hat. Put my little flower in place. There we are. That looks pretty. And then I think I'm going to pop up the head. these cards in this, these Halloween ones are very quick and simple. You get some dimension and they go together very, very quickly. And I'm going to pop up my cat off of the base. It's kind of nice because they go together pretty quickly, and then you've got a card with a little bit of pizzazz. And you didn't have to take a whole lot of time. I think I spent more time trying to decide on the colors for the front of it than I did actually putting this card together. There. That's an adorable cat. So you could do the cat any color you wanted. Now we bring in our base and we're going to put glue on the tab. Lay it here in the base, fold that over. Whoops, it's kind of heavy. Start that over. It's heavy because of all the foam tape on it. So now we're going to put glue here on this tab. Bring this over. Try to stretch it out. And then I'm going to go ahead at the same time that I'm doing this tab, and I'm going to close it up. Just get all this glue going all at one time. Now fold it back the other way, stretch it because it's got to go over all this foam tape. And there is our Witch Cat envelope box card. Thank you for joining me.